Well, there he is, folks, Falkor. Falkor looking all naked without the luggage, mostly. And no bash-plate, because I took it off, do an oil change, do as much maintenance as I could, polished up the pipes a bit because they were just looking like they were going to fall off. A bit better now. Anyway, no riding this weekend because busy doing this. Then I'm going to get Pat, my wonderful mechanic, to change the spark plugs on the air filter, because the air filter is just the most impossible bloody thing to do on this. The positioning of it and how you got to get screws in and out, so he can do that for me. So, as there was no riding this weekend, I'll just show you a little ride I did a couple of weeks ago. So I did a video once about Coolamon Scenic Drive, and I went south to north and one end all the way to the other. So as it happens, I'm going to be going back the other way this time. Not the whole way, but the interesting way. So I might just film it on the way back, on the way up, and show you how nice it is. It's a really nice ride. Okay, let's do it. That was nice of him. Oh my god, 60. Far out. Sorry, forgot. was it really. That's the climb on Coolamon Scenic Drive. The rest was just nice long sweepers, koalas, all that kind of thing. So, how's that for a quickie?